people would be buying and selling these options based on the dividend, but this is something that we know of. So it is already factored in. Okay, and in fact, when you talk about option pricing and the Black-Scholes model and the theoretical pricing model out there, dividends is actually one of the factors that gets factored in to option pricing. Okay, but we will definitely have that discussion because it can be confusing, and hopefully I will make it understandable for you guys. All right, AMBA, moving up a little bit, that's even better. Right, the higher we can get towards the strike on the upside now, which is the 46 strike, the better we are. So the price of our strangle swap is going to come down to really the price of just the call side of it, just the call calendar, since the put's going to be irrelevant. And it's going to be based on A, the stock price, and B, the implied volatility. So we'll get to that right away.